Let's do number 18 and 19 together. That's going to help us get ready for our country gardens. So 18, we are working on really long bows. So that's going to help us to get ready for this swing. So we have 4 beats in a measure. Let's look at our key signature first. We're in C major. We're starting with that low 2, and we're slowly progressing our way down that C major scale. So 4 beats per measure, and so then we have our dotted half note and quarter note. So that's starting our swing. That's going to help us get into 19, where we have the da and da and da and. So just nice long relaxing bows. We're just going to slow down for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Make sure that your bow is consistent throughout, and just let everything sing. So not throw off your shoulder rest. Walk up. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Low 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beginning, go. Okay, so for 19, we have the dotted half note and the 8th note, da and da, da, rest, rest, da and da, da. So we're starting E, D, C, C2, rest, rest, F, E, D, D, rest, rest, E, F, G, E, rest, jump here, D, F, E, D, C. So we have that open D to low 2, da and 3 and da. So da and 3 and da. Just a reminder of how to do these. All right, 19 with that repeat. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, low 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, jump here. 2, beginning, go. 2, lift, low 2.